My name is Ahmed Elsaadi. I run Splunk for the Middle East and Africa region, and it's a pleasure to be here with you today, Zishan.
So what are you showcasing at GITEX this year?
So Splunk has been a leader in security and observability, and we're showcasing our portfolio of digital resilience to our customer. Basically, that means how can we help them prevent major issues before they can become customer impacting, absorb digital shocks from cyber attacks, IT disruptions or applications that can actually result in things going wrong. And third is empowering them to go through their digital transformation. In specific, we're showing how we can have a very efficient security operations centers, elevating the capabilities from the security analysts, who are very rare to find in the market, right? To elevate them to a higher level using automation, AI, as well as machine learning. So this is one area. We're showcasing also our observability portfolio, where how we manage the application performance, for example, how we do the network monitoring, real user monitoring, and a lot of use cases that can help bring that stability, as we mentioned before. And finally, we're showcasing our IoT most recent release, which is a device called Splunk Edge Hub. Basically allows the customer to gather a lot of information from utilities plants, sites where they need to measure temperature, humidity, and a lot of use cases that we bring there, and bring all that back to the Splunk platform to analyze and give recommendations on performance, maintenance, and preventative issues before they happen.
Can you tell me what sets you apart from the competition?
Sure.
And it's a crowded market, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's a very good question, first of all. First of all, the scalability. So we're able to absorb and understand any type of unstructured data at scale, right? So that's a major important factor, because the limitations lies here sometimes in the types of data. So we don't have an issue on the type of data, and we also don't have an issue on the scale of the data in real time. So that's point number one. Point number two is basically our ability to have a single tool that helps whoever is running, let it be security, IT, operations, as well as application teams, to have a unique platform to look into what exactly is going wrong or what can go wrong. So it's a single tool unifying the teams who are usually siloed, not necessarily having one tool, right? So now we solve that with one tool, right? And help them reach their objectives faster and remediate and detect their issues faster. And the third is automating all that and having an AI that is empowered, I think is very important. And I think the last thing that I see very relevant as well is that we provide the customers the ability to manage all that, whether on premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid. So we believe in a multi-cloud hybrid world, and that's where we bring that differentiation across.
If you look at the theme of this year's GITEX is AI, and you have a very strong focus on AI and ML. Do you leverage AI in the whole portfolio?
Absolutely. So in multiple areas. First of all, in the detection of anomalies. This is where we use a lot of our AI, right, across. So the Splunk is built on machine learning, right? So we already had the foundation there, and we needed to bring the intelligence to empower a faster detection and remediation as well. So we use it in the operation side, but also we use it with how to make it simple for the analysts to use Splunk. So basically asking simpler questions using generative AI and for them to query what they want to query without needing to have an extensive knowledge on Splunk tools and resources. And that's very important because, as we said, resources are very scarce, costly, so you need to be able to scale them in multiple ways, and AIs leverage that part as well.